Only about 4 weeks to go until Prolight and Sound this year. We will be there with the Laserworld group again, Laserworld, tarm, RTR, laser animation, and new products from show controller software as well. We will also showcase different compatibilities at our booth, so don't miss out on visiting our booth at Prolight and Sound. You will find the Laserworld group in hall 12.1 at booth C60, pretty much in the middle of the hall. And don't forget, on Thursday, the 21st of March, there will be our legendary Laserworld party again. DJ Collini and DJ Phoenix will play some tunes for us. There will be some beer and other beverages, and we're looking forward to seeing you there.